Organize Christmas-themed stickers with me. Get all sticker books ready. I'm using a sticker sheet pack from Happy Planner. Next step. Take out all Christmas-themed sticker sheets from all sticker books and put them all together in the sticker pack. I don't think I'm going to use these. I put the part of the package insert back in for the volume. That's it. All Christmas stickers are in one place. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe for more.